I am already elected by 3,900 votes. He asked for recounting, refused by the returning officer. Since the recounting was refused and the respondent number 1 has adopted corrupt practices to get elected, the present election petition is filed. I have taken this press conference only for one reason, that if the person who has lost the election files the petition, why we should go employ a lawyer and go back to the High Court when not even a Election Commission of India is the party to this. They have made returning officer of 08 Kalangut constituency office as a party to this petition. I feel that why I should spend money to get a lawyer when people of my constituency have given me 3,900 lead and got me elected. Any petitions, just people can go and file, even when the Election Commission of India and when the returning officer gives you a certificate that you are being elected. And if there was any doubt of 200-300 votes, it was okay for a recount. 4,000 lead, somebody is asking recount, and since it is not being given to him by the returning officer, petition is filed on me. And we have to go in the High Court with a lawyer to represent. I think somewhere injustice is being done, and sometimes laws needs to be amended in a similar fashion. Again, in the same village panchayat of Kalangut, these are the members who are being elected. There are 8 members who are being elected on the Together for Kalangut panel. And people of Kalangut has brought this change. One person has not brought the change. People of Kalangut, all the voters of Kalangut have brought a change. And yesterday they received they have received all these petitions, all 8 of them. I can understand one person filing a petition on the other person. Like all the 8 elected members have got petitions filed in the court that they should be disqualified. But finally, when a elected person gets elected, he has to do work for the people. Now he is going to run after the petitions filed on him or work for the people. The entire ruling panel petition is being filed, not one petition, on each and every person separate petitions. And the main reason of the petition they are quoting is, I as a deputy speaker has supported them. Since my photograph is there, I supported them, I campaigned for them. Yes, I have campaigned, we do not deny that. But I have not used official machinery, that is any government machinery I have not used.